Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another day, another video, and today we're doing a part 2 of what we ate in a day. So yeah, you're welcome. On this day for breakfast we had waja. Sorry about that. Yeah, mtu anasumbua hapa. Anyway, I pre-boiled my sausages. It's something I found on some YouTuber's name. I can't remember her name. What's her name? I don't know. Mombi Clay, yeah. So she pre-boils them and then she shallow fries them. Yeah, this way it gives them a certain nice taste. So this is how they turned out. And then on a different plate I beat an egg to make some toasted bread, so some French toast, because my sons love toasted bread with eggs. And yeah, so if you liked the episode 1, I hope you like this one too. And if you do, please kindly let me know down below. For this day we were having Milo for tea. Yeah, so this is Ty's plate. Two sausages and toasted bread, and this is Trey's bread. I only toasted on one side because I didn't want it to be too hard for him, and that is his smoky. So that's what they had for breakfast, and some milk. As for a snack at 10 a.m., Trey had this juice. It was a trial for the first time, and he kind of likes it. Yeah, please don't come for me down below with processed or sijui what things.
Hi, I'm his brother. Look at these gigantic Ohio State dark chocolate peanut butter sea salt Buckeyes. Now, when you pull the stick out,
Good job.
Dana, kwanza kulei kwanza. Usually they're not served with sticks, and then you transfer them to the beautiful. Kulei kwanza. Good.
As for Trey, he had this flavored strawberry dairy fresh milk and some mandazis I made. If you haven't watched my mandazi recipe, please kindly consider watching it. It's amazing as well. Yeah, so then it was lunchtime. So hubby was helping me make lunch, but I helped him prepare. So yeah. But we're making pumpkins and some rice. So all I'm doing is preparing the pumpkin, and then my husband is coming to cook. Yeah, so I'll show you the finished product after it's done. Okay. Also, for storing your pumpkins, once you cut them into slices, the remaining ones, you wrap them in cling foil, then you refrigerate them. They can go for up to a week without getting spoiled. So yeah, so I'll see you.
If I should stay or be alone, if I should stay or be alone, won't you make up your mind? 'Cause I'm getting tired of overthinking every move you make, and I can help you decide who you're loving now, and how I'm not quite there somehow. My intuition says to give you up, but my heart can't easily let you go. I try to tell myself this isn't love, and I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone.
So this is the consistency you're looking for, and my choice of flour is out of personal preference. It is not a recommendation to anyone, But yeah, so once you do that, you put it in your boiling water and you stir. From this point on, you stir continuously until you get a thick consistency. Do not stop stirring, otherwise you're going to get some lumps in your porridge. So this is what you're looking for. And yeah, by the time it gets together, it has already started boiling. So yeah, you will know when to stop. Yeah, so after that I add some milk. Yeah, once it has boiled for like 5 minutes, I add some milk. And I know some people say don't add milk to your porridge, blah blah blah. For me, I do, mostly for the taste and because it's how I grew up and for calories sake. I also add sugar. Yeah, because why not? And don't tell me kids shouldn't take sugar. Oh. The only reason our parents didn't give us sugar is because they were not guaranteed to have sugar the next day. But for us, you work hard, you get sugar. So yeah, so I store some for later and then I serve some for that moment. So yeah. As for dinner on this day, we decided to go with takeout, which was pizza. But sometimes we make pizza at home, like this one we had made at home, and it's amazing. If you would want to see a recipe for homemade pizza, please let me know down below. You can also make pizza without an oven. So this is a pan baked pizza, and it turned out well as well. And for those who have watched my get to know me video, you know this is my favorite pizza.
Pizza, pizza, pizza. And time to go home. Okay. Kifungueni.
It's basically a double layered pizza, so double crust, double cheese pizza, and the top layer is just cheese and tomatoes and pineapples, and the bottom one has beef, pineapples, and a lot of cheese, and it's amazing. Anyway, but for the dinner one that we got on this night was just extra cheese beef barbecue pizza, which was on offer, and we had 2 layers of it and we enjoyed. Yeah, so that was the dinner for that night. I also have included bonus breakfast ideas on this video because I'm awesome like that. And yeah, the first one is just a sausage sandwich with eggs, and if you would want to see a full recipe, let me know down below. The other one is a coated egg. Oh my god, this is usually awesome. If you haven't watched it, you can get it from a previous video I had done. This one is a hot dog on a stick, and our mug cake, our 2 minutes mug cake as well. Please make sure to watch that. It is a very fast recipe that your kids will enjoy. And my favorite, oats is also good for breakfast. And I end the vlog with my marshmallow chocolate tea. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Please kindly consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you.